Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, company. I have got a job in your company. Second, door. Don't go through this door. 3. Printer. My printer is not working. Fourth, map. I can't study the map of India. Fifth, run. Horses run very fast. Sixth, pilot. This pilot is flown by aeroplane. Seventh, truth. You should always speak on the truth. Eighth, drive. She drives a car. Ninth, sing. He sings a song. 10th, daily. It rains daily. 11th, read. I read a book. 12, fly. We fly kites daily. 13, ride. They ride their bike. They rides their bike. 14th, go. My brother goes to school. 15th, play. The boys play hockey. Thanks for watching.